Hello fellow translators. I will explain how to set up Translator++ to use the offline translator in Sugoi Translator Toolkit. In this tutorial, we are going to use Sugoi Translator Toolkit version 5.0. The older versions of Sugoi Translator Toolkits are also supported. If you do not have the program yet, you can find it in the link provided in the description. First, you need to click the T+ icon on the top right, under the Close Windows button to open the menu. Select Tool. Then, Sugoi Translator Server. Then, Local Server Manager. On the Sugoi Translator Manager window, click the triple dot on the Sugoi Translator location bar, and select one of the BAT files in the root folder of your Sugoi Translator Toolkit. Now you can use Sugoi Translator on Translator++. If you see a yellow warning, it means your computer has a dedicated GPU that supports GPU processing. GPU-based translations are a lot faster than CPU. In Translator++, we can set up the Sugoi Translator to use your GPU instead of your CPU. Fortunately, the Sugoi Translator Manager takes away the complicated stuff and makes the installation easy for you. What you need to do is just follow along with the instructions. Here, the installation patch has been separated into two parts for the 2000 and 3000 series. Click according to your GPU series, and then click OK. While waiting, you can see the installation progress on the CMD window. The installation download is quite large, approximately 3 GB. So, please wait patiently, grab a snack or something. When the installation is complete, there will be a message like the one shown in the screen. You can close it. And now Sugoi Translator can support GPU processing. Now I will explain how to start the server. On the Sugoi Translator Manager's window, there are two range bars. One for the number of servers to start for CPU and the other for GPU. You can choose to run them simultaneously or just one at a time. It is possible to run both CPU and GPU-based services simultaneously. But keep in mind that if your CPU usage is high, it may hinder the GPU performance. Also, for CPU-based servers, more processes don't always mean more speed. Be mindful of your RAM and CPU capacity. You may not get any benefit if, by running just one server, the CPU usage has reached 100%. After you set the number of servers, click Set Sugoi Trans Config based on this setting, and then click OK. Then, click Start All Server, and OK. You can see the active server on each CMD window, with each server on its own CMD window. If all servers were started, Sugoi Translator is ready to use. Happy translating! That's all from me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.